Hey guys, Jerry here on this hot day. This is what is today? Thursday. It's 94 degrees, I think 89% humidity. It's hot. But we had somebody decided they wanted to bring it to me today and challenge us to clean the interior. This is an interior only. And man, we got our work cut out for us. Look at these mats. Let's see them. Aaron has got the water hose. Look at the water coming out of that thing. That is just nastiness. Woo! Yeah, so he's getting a start on the mat, and I'm going to start on the inside and get my steamer hooked up. Man, we got our work cut out for us on this one. This is going to be a challenge. Look at them seats. Ooh, doggies. It's going to be a tough one. I won't lie. Look at these seats, folks. Look at that. So, drill brush out, carpets, candy in the floor. The plastics ain't as bad. The seats and the floors are the worst. You can see that one. Man, it's gonna be tough. Driver's seat. Driver and passenger seat probably the cleanest. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us today. I probably should have upcharged on this one, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna try. And I had an epic fail on the last set of seats I did that were really, really bad. So I'm trying new cleaners, trying a new combination of stuff. So we're gonna see how it goes. See if I can't have a little better result this time. Got an armrest on that. Aaron's dragging the pressure washer out, bringing the big cannons out. So we're gonna try it and see. Here we go. I got the backs of the seats. They look pretty good. Pretty good. I'm working on vacuuming and I'm working on these guys. Alright, so after a long hot day out here, I think they're saying 107 for the heat index today. Whew. We got her finished up finally. She's looking good. Those back seats. Looking good. This was an interior only. Of course they were black. Some of the stuff still wet. It's still darker, but on a whole, and they cleaned up good. Cleaned up good, boys. Second try on the seats. My new mixture worked good, and lady's coming to pick it up. I think she'll be excited. And whew, guys, listen, it's hot. Drink plenty of water. Watch your friends. Make sure they drink plenty of water. And if they ain't your friends, drink their water first. It's Jerry, NXTGEN Graphics. See ya.